Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Regions Bank for credit card account setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Regions Bank website. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the option that says open an account or apply for credit card. You will be directed to a new page with various account options. Scroll down until you find the credit card section. Choose the credit card type that best suits your needs. Click on the Apply Now button next to your chosen credit card. A new application form will appear. Fill in the required personal information, including your full name. Enter your social security number or tax ID. Provide your date of birth and contact details, including your phone number and email address. Next, enter your residential address and mailing address if different. Continue to provide your financial information, such as your employment status and annual income. If applicable, include details of any other income sources. Review the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Check the box to agree to the terms if you're comfortable. Click on the Submit button to complete your application. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Take note of any reference number provided for future inquiries. Monitor your email for further instructions or decisions regarding your application. Once approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail. Follow any included instructions to activate your new card. You are now ready to use your Regions Bank credit card. If you have any questions, contact Regions Bank customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.